Welcome to our world of interior design at THT Design Channel. Here, we believe that your home is a reflection of your soul. Join us as we explore a myriad of styles, from minimalist chic to opulent grandeur. We'll transform spaces, big or small, into havens of comfort and style. Get ready to be inspired by stunning makeovers, practical design tips, and the latest trends. Let's create your dream home together. A mountaintop retreat, modern design meets natural beauty. Nestled amidst the majestic peaks of a mountain range, a modern white house stands as a testament to the harmonious blend of human ingenuity and natural splendor. Its design, a minimalist masterpiece, is a testament to the power of simplicity and the beauty of natural surroundings. The house's stark white exterior serves as a canvas, reflecting the ever-changing hues of the sky and the surrounding landscape. This minimalist approach allows the natural beauty to take center stage, emphasizing the dramatic vistas of the mountains and the lush pine forest. The large glass doors, acting as portals to the wilderness, invite the outdoors in, blurring the lines between interior and exterior. This design choice maximizes natural light, creating a sense of openness and connection to the surrounding environment. In front of the house, a wooden table offers a cozy spot to enjoy the panoramic views. The table, crafted from natural materials, complements the rustic charm of the surrounding landscape. A lawn adorned with vibrant yellow flowers adds a touch of color and vitality to the scene. The flowers, a symbol of joy and optimism, contrast beautifully with the serene and majestic mountains. Behind the house, the pine forest stretches as far as the eye can see. The towering trees, with their deep green needles, create a sense of awe and wonder. The forest, a living, breathing ecosystem, provides a tranquil backdrop for the house. The mountains, with their rugged peaks and dramatic valleys, add a sense of grandeur and scale to the scene. This architectural masterpiece is more than just a dwelling. It is a statement of modern living in harmony with nature. The design is a celebration of simplicity, a testament to the beauty of natural materials, and an exploration of the symbiotic relationship between humans and the environment. The house is a retreat, a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with the natural world. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.